store. Mama's gonna buy you a dog named And if that dog named Clover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.